So in this video, you learn how to add the calendar to the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So if you want to replace the clock with a calendar, then what you're going to do is start by accessing the lock screen editor. Now you can do this by just navigating to the settings app, then you can scroll and select lock screen and AOD, and then from here, just look for edit lock screen and tap on it. Alternatively, you can always just go directly to the lock screen itself, and then you want to go ahead and long press on it. If you have a PIN, password, or pattern, you will be prompted to enter those in before you're brought to editing mode. Once you're in the lock screen editor, you're then going to tap on your current clock or the clock style that you're using. And once you've selected it, this pop-up will appear on your screen. So go ahead and switch to the styles section and then swipe through the different styles until you find the calendar option. Tap on it and you can see the preview of how it would look like. You can always choose to go back to font size, to font and color, and customize it to your liking as well. And then once you're happy with all the customizations that you've made and you've used the handles to either increase or decrease the calendar size, what you're going to do is just tap on done to save and apply the changes. Once you've done that, wait a few moments and the changes will be applied to the lock screen. So you can see here, you successfully added the calendar widget to the lock screen of your Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.